Mama ji, Mami ji.
Wishing you both a very happy anniversary.
Wish you all the best for the future and have a great time in Hawaii. Hope to see you soon. Lots of love, Ankush and Mahima.
Take care. Bye bye.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो
Happy anniversary. We are celebrating here at USC. We came here to watch Sabina's salsa performance. We'll be missing you. Have a good one. And we are expecting a party sometime soon. If nothing else, just come over to Vegas and we will celebrate there. Okay? Have a good one. Bye.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. We're so happy for you guys. Yeah, Olivia's happy for you too. She's saying happy anniversary. 40 years with smart and accomplished kids and beautiful grandchildren. I hope you all have a wonderful time in Hawaii. Wish we were there to celebrate with you. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Olivia.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Daddy and Anna Uncle, happy anniversary! Hope you have a great day. From Shelly, Rachel, and Krish.
को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक
Yeah.
Hi, Anil and Neeru. This is to wish both of you a wonderfully happy 40th anniversary. I hope you have a wonderful day and many, many, many years of health, good health and togetherness in times to come. I'm drinking this fantastic South Indian filter coffee that Arun has just made. We went to Mataji Pittaji's a few hours ago and had lunch with them, and they wished you the absolute best.
एक लड़की को देखा.
Happy anniversary, Bhaiya, Bhabhi. We've had so much fun with both of you around. You are both so loving. Real, deep, heartfelt best wishes for you for a long, happy married life.
हाँ जी. हाँ.
अनिल और नीरू की शादी हुई तो उसका जो बॉक्स था ना, जिसके कपड़े नीरू ने पहने थे, उसकी चाबी पिताजी ने अपनी जेब में रख ली और हम आधा घंटा ढूंढते रहे. बड़ी मुश्किल से फिर ओह, एक चाबी तो मेरी जेब में है, और वो चाबी वही थी. और बड़ी मुश्किल से बेचारी को तैयार होने में देर लग गई. बड़ी स्पेशल बात नहीं है.
बहुत खुशी की बात है कि 40वीं आपकी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी हो रही है. टाइम कैसे गुजरता है पता नहीं लगता, लेकिन आपने तो अपनी लाइफ को बड़ा यूजफुल बनाया है. दोनों ने चिन्मय मिशन के साथ अटैच होके एंड एक्टिवली करके, और खास अनिल भी जो शाम को लेक्चर्स वगैरह करता है, बड़ी अच्छी चीज है.
आप शादी का क्या याद है?
शादी का याद मुझे है कि एक स्कूल था नरुल्ला साहब घर के पास में, तो वहां पर शादी हुई थी. और घोड़ी में कोई अरुण ने कहा कि घोड़ी में चढ़ के नहीं आना. हम कार में 5-4 गाड़े ले गए थे. वहां जाकर उनके हॉर्न बजाए तो अनाउंस दैट वी हैव अराइव्ड. फिर वहां जाके फिर उन शादी हुई वहां पर उस स्कूल में. फिर वहीं खाना खाया सबने, और शाम को फिर हमने अपना डिफेंस कॉलेज में रिसेप्शन रखी.
ये तो अनिल की शादी की बात कर रहे
तो उसी की बात कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
तो थे
अरुण कहता था
आपकी बारी बाद में आएगी.
उसका ना फिर लाला हंसराय गुप्ता थे जो उस वक्त मेयर थे दिल्ली के, वो भी आए हुए थे, जॉर्ज फर्नांडिस भी आया हुआ था। बहुत अच्छा लगा हमको और काफ़ी रौनक थी। उससे सबसे बड़ मजे की बात यह है कि जो नीरू के शादी के कपड़े थे ना, उसके ट्रंक की चाबी मेरे पास रह गई और ये सब लोग ढूंढने में चाबी कहाँ गई, कपड़े कैसे बदले। तो खैर नहीं, अल्टीमेटली मैंने कहा वो तो मेरे पास है, तो मैंने उनको दे दी। मतलब ये है सम ऑफ द थिंग्स विच वन रिमेंबर्स एंड रिकॉल्स। खुशी की बात है कि इतने बरस हो गए और अपनी अच्छी हेल्थ गुजारी है, अच्छा जिंदगी को यूजफुल बनाया है। परमात्मा आपको और लंबी उम्र देवे, बच्चों को सुख देखें और इसी तरह जैसे आजकल सेवा कर रहे हो करते रहो। धन्यवाद।
Anniversary, Neeru, Anil. Love you. Bye.
Hello, Guru.
हाँ.
Hello, Neeru. Anil, happy anniversary. You celebrate more happy anniversary and the best wishes. Lots of love, Mummy.
Daddy.
Can you say it again?
Happy anniversary, Daddy and Daddy.
What else do you want to say?
I love you.
Anything else?
You know.
Once in a lullaby.
Hi Anil, hi Neeru, congratulations on your wedding anniversary. Anil of course has always been my elder brother, but what was always very special about him was that he wasn't a bully. He used to, and still does, listen to me. And another remarkable thing about him is the joy that he got in learning. He passed that on to me, and that is something for which I am eternally grateful. I am in awe of a person who in his 50s can, with little effort, pick up Spanish, and I still try to keep learning the way Anil does. I really got to know Neeru the year I spent with them in New York. She explained to me the geography of New York, taking me up on the Empire State Building. She taught me how to cook. She she really knew New York's subways exceedingly well. So she would not only tell you which subway you would need to change at which station, but would also tell you whether you should sit in the back or the front so that you could, with the least amount of effort, get from one train to the next. As far as the wedding itself is concerned, my favorite memory is from after it was all over. You see, back then, Coca-Cola was something that kids were not given as much of as these days. The exception, of course, was weddings. And the Doli had gone and most of the guests had left. And Neelam Aunty said to Seema, who was sitting on the stairs drinking furiously Coca-Cola, "Chal, ghar chale, shadi पूरी हो गई." तो सीमा रिप्लाइड, नहीं अभी थोली लेती है. सो अनिल एंड नीरू, आपकी इकट्ठी जिंदगी अभी थोली लेती है. I look forward to still some amazing feats by this amazing team of Neeru and Anil. Thank you.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Happy 40th anniversary. I came across a quote the other day that reminds me of you two. It's by Katharine Hepburn. love has nothing to do with what you are expecting to get, only with what you are expecting to give, which is everything. You both are two of the most selfless, giving, kind-hearted people I know, and you are truly an inspiration for all of us. And so I just wanted to wish you happy anniversary. I love you both so much.
The dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?
Hi, Mom and Dad.
Hey, Mom and Dad.
Happy 40th anniversary.
Woo, we love you. Happy anniversary. Sydney, say hey.
Sydney, what does
Hey.
a cow say? Sydney, moo. There we go.
Yay.
That was for you. Happy 40th.
Love you guys. Bye.
Love you.